Anywhere is a service through OhioLINK that allows patrons to pick up materials at any OhioLINK member library. So, for example, if you are living close to Lakeland Community College, you can request a book be delivered to one of their libraries as opposed to having it delivered to Maag on YSU's campus. It's a great feature of OhioLINK, especially for our online students or those that might live closer to another library as opposed to Maag. Let's take a closer look at how to use Pickup Anywhere. From maag.ysu.edu, we're going to click on OhioLINK Library Catalog. Here we're going to type in a topic and click Search. I'm going to click on the fourth option, How America's Political Parties Change and How They Don't. And you will see that it is available, so I'm going to put a request on it. Here you're going to select your school, which would be Youngstown State. And then you'll click Submit Above Information. Here you'll type in your last name and your Y number. Don't forget the Y00. And this is the important part. This is the pickup location. This is where you can choose where you're going to have your material picked up. So if we wanted to go to Lakeland Community College, we can scroll down to Lakeland Community College and we can pick a location. They have 3 different libraries available, but for example, we could click the Lakeland main campus at Kirtland. And once I selected that, you would hit Submit. And that material will be sent to the Kirkland main library at Lakeland Community College, and I would be able to pick it up from there, which is wonderful. If you have any questions about how to use Pickup Anywhere, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.